Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Java runtime environment not found in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. So the very first step that you need to do is you need to bring up any of your favorite browser or whatever browser that you have in your Windows, like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Just have to open it. And once you are being redirected here at the main browser itself, just have to wait until a search bar will appear here at the center, okay? So once it is here at the search bar, please type for Java GRE and then click on OK. So wait until you are being redirected to the results of Java. And once it is here, proceed on Java downloads for all operating systems. Click on it. Okay, so once you have successfully opened the Java website, you need to proceed on download. Okay, so here you can go with 64-bit if you have the 64-bit computer like mine. You can also go with Windows Offline, which has this file size, which is 60.80 MB. You can also with this. Okay, so if you have the 64-bit computer, then I must recommend that you will go with this. Just have to click on this link and wait until you are being redirected to the download icon, and just have to wait until the download of Java GRE will be done. Okay, let's just wait. So the good thing about that is it consumes a lesser space. In fact, it contains only 66 MB of data here in your Windows. So that's very good. Okay, so let's wait until it will be done downloading. Okay, so once it is being downloaded, just have to click this to install the program. Okay, so account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you'd be able to give consent on installing the Java. Okay, so let me just minimize this. So now it is setting up. Just have to click on install to install the Java. And it is now installing the Java here in your Windows. Okay. Okay, so once you have successfully installed the Java, here you just have to close this window first and then you need to open your File Explorer. So at the bottom search bar, please type for File Explorer. Once you've typed it, a system called File Explorer itself will appear. Click on Open to proceed. So here at the File Explorer window, you need to proceed directly to this PC. Okay, simply click on it and select your C drive. So once you have selected it, proceed on program data. Okay, and here you need to look for Java. If it's not, then you need to click this backward arrow and proceed to Windows. So let's just try to find it. Okay, so let's just scroll down and try to look for it. And if you don't find it, just have to close this window. And here at the bottom search bar, please type for Java. Okay. And once you have opened it, go with open file location. Okay, so you are actually being redirected here at the Java. Just have to click here, okay? And you need to copy this path, okay? So just have to copy it, okay? And then minimize this first. And here at the bottom search bar, you need to search for advanced system. The moment you've typed it, a view advanced system settings will appear. Click on open to proceed. And here you need to go with environment variables and you need to go with path. Okay, just have to click on edit and here you need to go with new and paste the path that we have just copied earlier and then click on OK. Once you're done, click on OK and then click on OK. And there you have that. You can now use the Java as your Java environment here in your Windows or computer. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.